So I'm just sowing some seeds, but I thought I'd quickly show you my earliest strawberry plants and just talk about growing early strawberries in general. So these are second year runners, and this one is from my, it's a bit noisy here, from my first early strawberry bed, and this one is from my ever-bearing strawberry bed. And I potted those on in September when I thinned them out into smallish pots, these pots actually, 11 centimetre pots. And then in February, beginning of February, I potted them on into these larger pots and into these hanging baskets. And I thought I just had one of my grow lights was spare, and I wasn't going to need it for 2 or 3 weeks. So I thought what I'll do is I'll just try forcing these strawberries. And so they put on all this new growth, pretty much all that growth there is new growth, and same with this one, with the everbearing. And this everbearing is in full bud. I think there's 4 little strawberries already forming on there after just 10 days under grow lights, and that is amazing. So it looks like I might actually get strawberries forced in this greenhouse. I'll probably put them in this greenhouse in about another 5 or 6 days in April, which would be amazing because I do love early strawberries. And yeah, and of course strawberries are one of the things that are sprayed so much when you buy them commercially. So what I normally do though is I do the same thing, pot them on about February time, hang them up in the greenhouse, and I get them about the end of April or the beginning of May, thereabouts. So it's possible that these forced ones might come about a month early. I don't know whether that's going to work or not, and I'd love some feedback from anybody else who's tried forcing strawberries, and we'll see how they go. But yeah, I was just pretty pleased with this. Thought I'd do a quick video just to show you the progress and see what everybody else thinks. My name's Steve. This is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel, and I'll see you soon.